Test. Alright. Here we go, big stupid head mode. Hey, my name's Eric. How are you? How are you doing? I kind of care, but not that much, because I don't know who you are. But, yeah, anyways. Let's quit bullshitting around. Let's get to my game. Let me fix my progress every day counter up at the top. And let's see what we got. 571 days consecutively worked in a row on this game. No days off. Getting close to release. 30 days away. January 1st. There is a demo available of the game now. The easiest way to get to it is probably just to go to DuckDuckGo or Google. Your pick. You might prefer Google to DuckDuckGo. And then type in the Godkiller Chapter 1. Another way to get to all the game stuff is just to follow the URL in the bottom right hand corner. In fact, you don't have to write out that / the Godkiller, and then you just write cspacelabs.com, go to the website, you'll find it all there. Okay. So let me fix this little guy up here. It is no longer November. It is December. And I will be continuing work on Steam achievements in this session. There will be spoilers. There will be story and plot spoilers. I don't have to say story and plot. I could just say story spoilers. And maybe even some gameplay spoilers, like things you could do in a certain level to beat it, things like that. So keep that in mind. This might not be a good session for you to watch if you want to stay free of spoilers. Okay, so let's get to it. I want to demo first. I want to show recent progress. The easiest way to show it is just to indicate which achievements I've got in. To demo it in the game, the problem is, because the way the broadcast area is set up on my stream here, the place where the achievement graphic pops up while you're playing is not visible. It's off on the right underneath this chat window and the screen with my face on it. So it's not really a big deal, but no point demoing that. I'll just say here are the achievements I've got in the game as of today. I've got murder, first death, is nothing sacred. Ooh, the Apple of Infinite Travel. I do not have that yet. I'll do that tonight. Stack blocks vertically, 3 different stack things. I've got death by falling, death by spikes, death from horizontal push, death from having no moves, death from having only repeating moves, collecting your very first present, collecting all the presents, all 58 of them, step on every view square. All those are done. Beyond that, I've got a super stack, which is ridiculous. This is not going in chapter 1, not going in chapter 1. No. The hanging guy. You can find the first one of the hanging guys, or you can find all 8 of them, and then if you find all 8 of them, you get the last hanging guy. Not in chapter 1, not in chapter 1, not in chapter 1. These 2 will be in chapter 1. I'm going to do them tonight. Polite Society and Impolite Society. Big spoilers around those. Ain't Shook I'm going to do tonight. I just drew up these graphics right before I came on. It took me about an hour. I drew up this take bad advice, you follow a friend's useless instructions. Story spoilers for that. Winding Win, challenge Billy to a race in windings and win. Story spoiler. Beard Genius, solve a Beard's puzzle for him. So I just did these 3 graphics just in the last hour. I just take the 3D models inside of the game and arrange them nicely, take a screenshot of that, pull it into Photoshop, and touch it up a little bit. So I drew the mouth on top of this guy. I added in a question mark. I added extra thick outline, silhouette line around the 2D image here. And then I put a nice little gradient background behind it. And that's how I go from 3D art to not too bad 2D art. Good enough for achievements. I think in general the achievement art looks pretty good. I've seen much worse. Much worse on bigger games, to be honest. So I feel like I'm doing okay with that. So next thing I'm going to do is enter in these new achievements that I just created. I'm going to do it on the Steam backend. Ooh, I just clicked a button on a stale web page. You should never do that. Hit the refresh. Yeah. Okay, now I can expect that to work. If you ever got, there's a tip from a web developer. If you've ever got a web page and there's a button on it you could press, but this page has just been sitting there for a long time, like hours, 30 minutes even, don't just click a button. It might even work. But there's various timeouts that happen. And sometimes the way people write code, things will partially work. They won't 100% fail. And it can leave your data in bad state. So it's a very common type of bug in web apps. So my tip is, if you ever got a stale page, just refresh it before you click anything on the page. Even if it works, you never know what kind of bug you might be introducing into your own data. Alright, I need to get it darker. Let's add these achievements. Okay, now I have a lot more confidence in these achievements. Now I've done so many of them, but starting out, there was quite a bit to learn. Alright, take bad advice. That's the first one. I don't know why you want to reload it. I did not even say to refresh or anything there. So please don't mess with that. Okay. So I found that the achievements that are more work are the ones that are stat-based. In terms of debugging them and getting them all set up correctly. I spent the most time on those. So the ones where they're hooked up to a progress stat, I've got 4 stats right now. Those ones are, they're not, it would be too strong to say they're a pain in the ass, but they're a little more work. Okay, another thing, I have to click save on this before I can add in images. There's a bug in Steam's code. Achievements, there we go. Okay, what was it called? It was not Beard Genius. It was my memory is just failing me. Apple, Beard Genius. What else was there? There's giving up. No. I hit cancel and I can see it right away, but I'm too stubborn. Take bad advice. That's what it was. Okay. There's 2 versions of each graphic. One is the unachieved one. Now this would have been a great thing for Steam to just say, you know what? We can process this image for you and make it grayscale. You don't have to actually make a whole nother one if you want. That would be nice. Just a little button here that says create grayscale version and just automatically creates this thing for me. They could do that. They got so much money. What are they doing with that 30% cut? Okay. Save that. Okay, next one. What will this one be? Will be Beard Genius. So beards in this game are normally your enemies. They're definitely obstacles. So there's one point in the game where you can take pity on your enemy and you can help him out a little bit. And I will end up showing that tonight. Oh, see, that's the thing I was just talking about. Before I can upload these, I have to click save. Then I come back and edit it. Bug, Valve, bug. Okay, and let's do Winding Wen. Winding Wen. Winding Wen. Save. Edit. Choose file. Yeah, they did not give this page enough care. I mean, just the thing about having a broken icon before you upload one, that's not great. Okay. There we go. There's all my icons. Now, how many do I got? I've got 22 now. I like that. 22 achievements. That should be what I ship with Chapter 1 in 30 days. Okay, so now, got to publish all of this, where it will not be available. Publish to Steam. Type in the thing that says you really want to publish. Okay, publish. Show me the green. Show me the green. There it is. Okay. Now, I've already got windings loaded up. Let me go in and add these 3 new achievements. It was take bad advice, beard genius, Winding Wen. They have to be spelled exactly the same as the Steam achievement. It is worth double checking it, just to avoid a stupid bug. Yes, I did type them exactly the same. Cool. Okay. So this one, these 2 are done here, these 2 are done here. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. I'm going to do them all tonight. It's 7 now. I think I'm going to do them in 2 hours, basically. I'm pushing on this. What will make me happy tonight is to have them all done tonight. I'm gonna have a hard time settling for less than that. So, okay. Windings. This is the level controller script. Okay. Okay. Billy, hurry up. Let's see. Hurry up. Okay. So my policy is that if there's some dialogue that is still in progress, I don't want to show the achievement until after the dialogue is finished. So let's write a little bit of code to have the achievement unlock after. Okay, got us here. Or let's see. Winding when speech ID. There we go. And we'll throw this back up top, or I could put it under Billy state. Eh. Let me check, because I think it's possible that she might say hurry up without having reached the midpoint. The midpoint is where she makes the challenge. Okay. So if reach midpoint equals true and the winding when speech ID okay. Yes, unlock achievement. Thankfully, I wrote all the hard stuff for Steam achievements now. So this adding in part is going really fast by comparison to the first ones I did. Winding when. All right, so let's test this. Let me see what achievements I've already got. Okay, quite a few here. Oh, I do need to log in. Okay, just so I do not give any clues about my password, I'm going to go to big stupid head mode. Looking up my password in my password manager, which is not friggin' Google. I gave myself a really long and annoying password. And this little checkbox that says, remember my password, Steam ignores it. They ignore it every single time. They make me re-enter that big long ass password. Alright, back to the work screen. Now you can see what's up. Okay, so I should be able to test this now. Story spoilers coming up. And we're going to show this on the unimpressive little screen so that I can see console output. Waiting for Unity to load up this level.
No! Stop the song! Rude. We don't need your information. We're going left. It's safe and simple.
Then go left, you graceless oaf.
When we get back home...
To the All Blocks Plateau?
Correct. You'll need to show respect.
To you?
Of course. I'm a leader there.
They put you in charge?
No, not exactly. I'm not an official leader. People are always looking to me as an example. They ask, what?
They ask you what you do?
No, to themselves.
When you're not around?
Correct.
So, how do you know they say that?
Look, I'm a pillar. I hold the place up.
Sounds like a big burden.
Indeed, but I accept it.
That's the voices of Chelsea Blackwell and Kyle Kreis.
Billy, this is so slow.
Slow, but safe.
I bet I could go back, take the other route, and still beat you to the end.
Ridiculous.
This might be kind of hard for me to actually do. I'll do my best, though. Okay.
So, sorry. If you still want to do the song, pardon me.
Picking all my steps carefully. Because the way it works, it's not time based, the race, it's how many steps you take, because Billy doesn't move unless I move. Okay.
God is here?
I got it. The achievement showed up. Like I said earlier, it shows off screen as far as the stream goes, but it showed up. So that is one achievement down. The code works. Throw a little divider in there so that in my chat window, so that if somebody chats me, I might notice it more easily. Okay, next, let's do, let me pick the hardest one. So that's a good technique when you've got a number of things to do. Just do the hardest thing first. It gets easier as you go. Or you get more tired and it evens out and it's a wash. Ain't shook. Polite society and polite society. Okay, I'm going to do polite society and impolite society next. They're both on the same level. This is the foyer. Again, story spoilers and game spoilers, like puzzle spoilers, level solving spoilers. Okay, so the foyer. Okay. What is the best way to do it? Jumped. She just jumped over us. Cool. That is a good place to do it. So let's say polite society. Speech ID equals. Ooh, we have to use that. Okay. String. Let's go look at everyone died. What is it actually used for? Well, I guess. Okay, that's fine. So here we do impolite society. Unlock achievement. Achievement ID. Impolite society. Okay. And then there should be on speech complete. Okay. Else. If speech ID. Okay, and this will be Polite Society. Okay. I'm gonna go test them out now. Also, it's just really cool seeing all these things pop up over here, looking just like I hoped it would. All right, here we go. Story and level gameplay spoilers. Coming up.
Definitely not ready.
A lot of seem daunting. There's no way to go there.
No, but if I go first, what if you get stuck?
She just jumped over us.
Just be on.
There's the first one, Polite Society.
Has to ignore unless you want to talk. It's possible.
That one let me leave the level without pushing anyone.
Who else looks like?
But the other one I can do
Just look away.
Please, please, please!
This is a little bit time consuming to get it to work. Let's move these guys out here. I'm basically corralling them to go to a certain location. Got it. There's Impolite Society. Okay, 2 more down. Like I said, I'm picking the harder ones first. This just isn't that hard. Okay. Looks like it's not even worth considering what the hardest ones are. They're just all kind of easy. I'm going to be through this. Achievements will be done tonight. That's just how it's happening. Okay. Major spoilers on this level. Major. Okay. Okay. This one is going to be ain't shook speech ID. This feels kind of nice because it's going fast because I did a bunch of work earlier. And I did it in a not cutting corners way, so yeah, I don't have to. I'm not having to backtrack and fix bugs and stuff because I wrote the code the right way the first time. Okay.
Ugh. Welcome to the Ockerdorium.
I remember. 16. Gifts? It would.
Don't give it away. Don't give away spoilers. Skipping past as fast as I
Another
can.
memory. I did not care who they worshipped. Their father's name. or
Blah
his
blah
father's
blah 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 blah
Let them
blah.
ride.
Major story
Let them
stuff.
fight.
Blah 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 blah.
Those are my children.
No no no
Where they
no
were.
no
Can't
no
remember their names.
no no.
I want to warn them. It's too late now. The killer is coming. I don't want to go back through that.
Oh dang it.
But I think there was more.
That's right. I wrote the code that made it so you had to listen to the whole thing.
Welcome to the Ockerdorium.
It's me again. From before.
Why such a long delay there?
He had a message.
Okay, so that should be the end of that one.
They could prosper. Oh, the killer was me. The killer was me.
Okay, that should do it.
I was a monster. Maybe I still am.
Okay, I gotta go through this again. Might as well do it with the joystick. Just to get a little more testing on the joystick, which is new code. But I have to go back to a previous level. Go back to the foyer.
A lot of people.
It's just so daunting. There's no way to get there.
The challenge of this present is not to take it.
You want it for yourself?
I want something for you. Dignity. Are you
I don't understand, but okay.
Definitely not ready.
It's just so daunting. There's no way to get there.
But if I go first,
She just jumped over us. All we want to leave the basement. It's clearly
It's the Ockerdorium. Just
Those
beyond.
idiots. So annoying.
welcome to the Ockerdorium.
I remember. And Wood was important. He was angry. He had a message. father's name or the soil they were born upon. Let them fight, and they would eat. They could prosper. Those are my children. Or they were. Can't remember their names. I want to warn them. It's too late now. The killer is coming. Oh no! The killer was me! The killer was me! Who I was is not who I am.
There's the achievement. Got it. All right. Okay, let's do Beard Genius. That will be in Mennington, or let's see, what was it? Beard's Block Axles was my code name for it while I was developing it. And I just never bothered to rename the scene name because it would have caused other work. But if I did it again, I would always rename those things. It's just... Okay. There's the level. This is the guy that wants help. You know, I'm making such good progress here, I could fix the bug I know about on this level too. This is going to be Beard Genius Speech ID. Okay. Should be careful though. I've got 2 more achievements after this. I'll take a quick look and see. See if there's an obvious reason why it's not working. Okay. Beard 2 solve area. I wonder if I've just got the name of this wrong. This is Solve Beard 2 area. And this one says Beard 2 Solve area. Let me just check up there. Yeah. So that is the wrong name. Let's see what these are actually called. So not Solve Beard 2 area. That's probably why it didn't work before. And this one is Solve Beard 2 area. Okay, not solve Beard 2 area and solve Beard 2 area. Let's go back and check that. Not solve Beard 2 area, solve Beard 2 area. Okay. That is probably what made it not work before. Ooh, ooh, ooh. What's that about? Static. Okay. Let's just set this elsewhere. Doesn't have to come right from this. I can do something like, let's see, what's it called? Speech, file path, get speech ID, and then characters, line, I'm very proud. That will do it. Okay, and put that in the reset. All right. What? Oh, characters name. There we go. Story spoilers coming up. Level solution spoilers coming up. What's the assertion it's failing? Oh, I gotta redo that song at some point. Let me just add the bug in for that. Master debater song has some assertion based on metadata. Bug, probably low, probably minutes. 0.1. Okay.
Oh. I'm gonna kill you!
I doubt it.
Just gotta get on the south side. Hey, you tricked me!
Just back up 3 squares and I can come over to you.
Absolutely not! Finally!
Well done, sir.
Now I just gotta go.
Back to where you were.
Right.
So I'll leave him there and just come around to him.
No talking, just killing.
But you just talked.
Minimal talking, then killing. I'll try to kill you, but honestly, I'm probably gonna fuck it up.
No, you might get me.
Oh no, I'm terrible.
Don't be like that. Believe in yourself.
Thanks.
So I can't really open that. Oh, but I could kill myself. That's right. Okay.
I solved the puzzle.
I'm very proud of you.
The achievement did pop up. So I also fixed a bug there. Let's go find that bug. Manhattan. Yep. Fixed. Bam. Oh, not fixed. Done. That's what I'm calling it. Done. Then. All right. That's done. And I think I'll do bad advice next. That would be on a quiet park. Quiet park, is it Q? Yeah, there we go. God, I'm just blazing through these. It's great. Okay. Okay, stop dancing speech ID. I think that's the only way you can get it. Okay. Okay. So here, there's S unlock achievement. And it's take bad advice.
Grundy,
Howdy, Em.
what are you up to?
Huh?
What am my buddy doing?
Just bumping the fitting.
Bumping the fitty?
Last times, bumping the do-bam fitting.
Cool.
Huh?
Cool.
Randy gotta help a buddy.
Helping me?
Yes. I pushed the blocker.
Which block should I push?
Huh?
What a block could I push to?
Yes.
Dism?
Yeah. You do it. Keep it going.
What a block could I push to?
Yes.
Dism blocker?
Yes. Goody do that. Keep it going.
What a block could I push to?
Yes.
Dis the blocker?
Ow, ow.
Dism?
Auto block.
Dism blocker?
There's the blocker. Blossom the blossom. Keep it going.
What a block could I push to?
Yes.
Dis the blocker?
Yeah. Oh, damn it. Keep it going.
What a block could I push to?
Yes.
Dism?
Yeah. Whoppa. What can you do? You do the rest.
I'ma do the rest?
There's nothing helping.
Thank you for the helper.
Achievement unlocked. Ah, this is just going so fast. I love it. Okay. I think I've just got one more left. So let's go to Paradise. Okay. Think of the very best place to put this. I think it's when the big light show happens. This is it. So where am I at? What is this? This is active zone change. Okay, so the one that says, what is it? Let's see, Apple on update. Let's see. On state change. Oh, yeah. Okay, but dang it. Not an update. Okay, I think right here. Okay, and then we say player S unlock achievement ID. All right, see how it goes.
Hello.
It's okay. It is okay. It's okay. Okay. It is okay. It is okay.
Your hands?
I am God. You are M.
What is this place? Did I die?
Yes, you died.
This is heaven?
No,
Hell?
it is someplace new. Made for you.
I died. How did I...
Welcome to your paradise.
This is... I don't get it.
Stay forever, Em. All will be provided. I ask but one thing.
Uh-huh.
Never go to the room east of here.
Which way is east?
But if you do go there, do not eat the apple. The apple of infinite travel. Stay, and I will tell you something. The story of John.
Sure.
John begat John Jr. of Mary, and John Jr. begat Robert of a different Mary, and Robert begat James of Mary, a third Mary, different from the previous two. Far and fast you will travel with the apple.
That sounds good. It's beautiful. Ah!
Okay, the achievement popped up, just like I wanted it to.
And you ate the apple.
Well,
Alright. That is the second level of the game right there. Alright, so let me look over all these achievements. I think they're all done. I think they're all friggin' done. All the ones I intend to go into chapter 1. Let me just double check them all. Actually, an easy way to do it is I go to here, and it shows the ones in gray are the ones I haven't done. But the truth is, these are just gray because they're stat based, and it relies on me changing stats as opposed to explicitly unlocking an achievement. So yeah, let me see. There was one thing I was interested in doing. Since I'm just getting this done so fast, let me see if I can get a little bonus thing in. I don't know if it's easy to do. If it's not easy to do, I'm not going to do it. But sometimes you pick up an item that doesn't you pick up an item that doesn't give you an unlocked achievement, but it gives you progress towards unlocking the achievement. I think there's some kind of API that can be used to just bring up a little UI that shows the progress being made. I'm just looking through all the indicate achievement progress. Okay, let's try this. So I could potentially just hook this into the code that I've got for increasing stats. No, because it requires some extra knowledge of which achievement you're working towards that isn't present inside of that stat update code. So whoever calls the thing that increases the stat, that caller has got the knowledge of what achievements are affected and if we should do this thing. But let's just try this. Hanging guy util. Okay, so this makes sense. I guess I do want the current stat. Int citing count equals that. So that means that we have to change that function so that yeah, okay. So let's see, this is going to be Steam players. Oh, that's right. So this doesn't actually have the code to do it. Okay, no problem. So let's do increment, have this return an int. Stop. Okay. Back over at hanging guy util, we need to do an import using Steam works. That's going to be Steam user stats. Okay. Steam user stats. What was the indicate? That's a good verb. I like that verb. Okay, the achievement will be last hanging guy. It's going to be citing count 8. Okay. But I only want to do this if citing count is greater than 1. What? Okay, so this is going to be toString. There we go. What? What next? What next are you complaining about? Oh, it's got to be a fucking uint. All right. Well, I guess I could just do this uint. I just do a cast here, but it's a little bit better. There. Okay, so that's one place. I'm just going to be optimistic that that works. Or, I mean, I will test it, but I'm going to keep going to the other places I know have to make changes. And, yeah, okay. So view square eval, that's another one. Okay, if present count is greater than 1, then we do the same business. Steamworks, and let's copy this instead. Okay. No, this is not presence. It's views. Okay, so this is view count. And also this one should show for the first one. This is going to be 0 to 58. Okay. So let me see. Okay, so then there's tallest block stack eval. Let's okay. The other thing I gotta be on the lookout for is indicating progress when you are on the last one that would unlock the achievement. In that case, I don't really want to show progress because I'm about ready to just award the achievement, unlocking it. So the hanging guy. Okay, on the tallest block stack, I decided I'm not actually going to show incrementing the progress because there's some levels where you'd have to keep on stacking blocks and you'd have that little UI showing on each one of them. It'd be annoying. But this one, let's do if sightings count greater than 1 and sighting count less than 8, then we'll go ahead and show. Okay, the other one, let's go back to that first one, view squares. So if view count, it's not 58, it's 78, less than 78. Okay. The last one, presence. That's in players. Found bonus. So if it's a new one, then okay, that all makes sense. Okay, so int presence found equals or collected. If presence collected is greater than 1 and presence collected is less than 58, user Steam stat, god damn it. Steam server stats, indicate achievement, progress, and then we're gonna do achievement ID, last present, toString, and then it's going to be between, let's see, presents collected, and then okay, presents collected, and then 58 is the max. Okay. What? Oh, stupid UN thing. Okay, let's see if this works. Ah, it won't with that. Okay, let's see if this works. Eight o'clock. Jesus, just come on. It's not that hard. View squares. Let's go to a place with a view square. Let's do, yeah, Grand Axles has got one. Let's do that. You know, I tell you that LOD stuff is just not worth it. I could have done like a crossfade thing on it or something, but anyways. Achievement unlocked Viewmaster. That's not right. Didn't actually unlock it. It showed progress, but the progress wasn't what I expected. So if I go back to U-score eval, current progress 0, max progress 78. Well, it's not. It should not be 0. It should be. Dang it. It should be view count. But I don't know why 0 would cause it to show like the achievements unlocked. That doesn't make sense. I'm going to try a little bit longer on this, but if it doesn't do something correct soon, I'll probably just rip out the code and leave it for a patch, because it's not strictly necessary, and I'm a little bit strained for time on getting this release out. Okay, let me see if I made the same kind of mistake elsewhere. No, first let me see if I've corrected the mistake. Come on, come on, come on. I think it probably saved. I hit this view score already. Yeah, so I don't get
jammed. Also jammed.
Ah,
So the others, they don't use the red floaty exit things. I don't think they can. And some people, like Billy and Quinto, can walk across the pop-up spikes, which I cannot. Plundy seems like he can just fly wherever he wants. I'm jealous. The Hanging Man. I have no idea how he moves around. Is it even the same person I keep saying? What if none of those walls pushed in? I'd be stuck. Can't go back the way I came. I think probably my path is laid out by God, and he wouldn't give me a challenge I couldn't get through. But who the hell is this God asshole, and what does he want with me?
There we go. It says Viewmaster 478. Achievement progress. That's good. let me go find another hanging guy and see if I can get some more examples of that achievement progress. This is one place where he's at. Spoilers, 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 spoilers. Many spoilers in this session. Yep, Viewmaster 5 of 78.
Hey, I see you.
Okay, that gave me the first hanging guy. So let's go get some others.
Huh. What is he doing up there?
I didn't see. Did not see any progress update there. Well, first off, let's see. Did it store? No, it won't store yet. Okay. So, since that happened, the sighting count should have gone up to 2. And sighting count is less than 8, so let's just set a breakpoint here. Are we in debug mode? Yes, we are. Okay, I'll just go to a different level and sight him there. One thing that can happen is that the player settings file that tracks unique locations of sightings can get confused.
Killing Billy. I let him trick me.
That's probably the issue. So probably player settings file is in a bad state.
What?
Hello? Why are you hanging on the wall? Do you want help?
Weird.
I gotta find a new location that I haven't already spotted him at. Spotted him in Glory Heights, so the save file's probably got him there. Pit Tower. Viewmaster. 6 of 78. There's another bug where I accidentally cut out the song. Well, I didn't accidentally. But there's some code that isn't quite right. Something ain't right. Okay, let's just go find... Find the hanging man. He's a little bit hard to spot on this level. But there he is. Okay. So I feel like this code is going to work.
There's my hanging friend.
Last hanging guy, 2 of 8 progress. Okay, that makes sense. So I will not be able to get 8 of 8 unless I clear out the player settings file. I'm just not going to worry about that. So what was the ones to test? Viewmaster, hanging guy. Not block stacking, because I decided I didn't want to show that for all of them. What was that one? Presents. I should get a present. Just get a new present from someplace. Okay, let's see. Where can I restore to get a present? That's one. That's one. I'll pick one that's a little bit easy if I can. Okay, well, long quarter's not bad. Spoilers. Spoilers on how to get the present in this level.
Tired of those beards. So tired. That's my present.
Eight of 78 views. That guy's not coming out of here.
I can't remember what cake tastes like. I can picture it. The frosting, texture, but the flavor of it, completely gone.
I just need to bring 3 up, maybe 4. That'll do it. Okay, 36 of 58 presents. All right, that's a good stopping point. Got all achievements done. So I'm gonna call the stream. I'm gonna say we're gonna cut off the stream right there. I like to finish with the thing I set out to do for the session done. And I have done that. That's victory. So 30 days left. It's gonna be a stretch, but I think I can get it all done. I know I can get it done. I'll make it happen. All right, stopping the stream.